Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Vario grinder with us in the shop. And so pretty much it had came in because it was not running, it wasn't turning on or anything along the lines, it wasn't grinding either. So now that it's fixed, turns on. Of course you can mess with the settings, we won't be messing with the settings here. You have presets too, it's 10 seconds, 7 seconds, 30 seconds, you can mess with those also. But we're going to start grinding. This is for 10 seconds. As you can see, really fine coffee, looking good. We're gonna do it one more time. As you can see, grinding really well. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on the channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.